So when you are in court, right, and it's a state court, when you file for an appeal, right, the appellate court is only here to see if there was a procedural error. They are not trying to they're not going to just accept it because you don't agree with what the judgment is, right? But the thing about the appellate court is it takes long. Like, you have to basically put it on notice. It's this whole package. I looked at it. It's a lot. It's a whole package that you have to prepare, and then it could take weeks for them to even give you a case number and put it on, and for you to get to things. By then, because the judgment is already in, you can the debt collector who originally sued me can put garnish wages, or can garnish my wages, put liens and all of that type of stuff, get a written execution is what it's called, and start to figure out how they can get this money, right? But, which is cool, go ahead and do that. But if I take it to the federal court and sue y'all, then whenever y'all cut the check is when y'all will get your money. Because if you put the lien on anything that I get, well, if I get $1,000 because I found y'all guilty, then guess what? $1,000, you take your $600, give me my $400, and you just paid for my debt. So the appeal situation, I think it's a good way to go, but I just think it's a kind of a long process. So if you're trying to, and this is only working with debt collection agencies, y'all. This is not for nothing else. I'm not no attorney. I'm just telling y'all what I'm doing and how you can go about it. But so this is not legal advice, because ain't nobody gonna try to get me and say it is. But this is literally just strategy. Oh, you want to play with me? Oh, okay. So the judge don't want to hear what I have to say as far as y'all are practicing deceptive practices, because y'all cannot be. The lawyers never even gave me their surety bond, and you are a debt collector. So if you are and you operate in the state that I'm in, you have to have a surety bond of $5,000 too. Why you ain't give it to me? So when I tell y'all I'm gonna be ready now, and here's the other thing too that helps me, because when they filed, I was living in a different county. It was an hour away. So now the county that I'm in, I can file in my county because this is where the thing happened. And now I can make it to this court date without an issue, and without having to take my kids out of school and bring them into court. So when I tell y'all, it's always a way around something. Fight these debt collection agencies back. Fight their law firms back as well. Make sure you putting everybody on notice and letting them know we don't tuck our tails around here. If you need help in the process, you just need some encouraging words, I got you, because we all can do it. Nobody is above it. I'm trying to tell you, these debt collection agencies do the slickest and slyest things, and I'm over it. So y'all stay tuned.